watching the light and the shadows intertwine, dancing together on us and between us. I'm not afraid. Wide open, holding each other free. I eagerly surrender as this love of many lifetimes invades and overwhelms me, stirring and awakening the mysteries that have long slept in my soul. Your fingers exploring the secrets of my immortality, unlocking synchronicities untold. You easily penetrate to the source of my power. You love me gently, intensely, and I open up like a flower. I can no longer see as the love is stinging my eyes. I can only hear and breathe the overwhelming